Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute pilgrim girl for Thanksgiving. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes. We'll start with a curve over, and the same on the right side. Now on top, let's draw a curve up, flicking it out at the ends. And then let's curve it down and back up. And then color these in black. Let's draw a long curve down and back up underneath each eye. And then inside, on the top left, let's add an oval. And then another one behind in the center. And color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, we're going to hop up and we're going to start drawing the hair. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a curve across. Then from the ends, let's bring it up and back down. Now another small line out on both sides, and then curve it up. Now on both sides, let's draw another curve down and over, stopping just above the eyes. And then along the sides, we're going to draw another piece of hair by curving it down and back up. And now underneath, we're going to draw one more piece of hair by curving it down and out. And then a wavy line like this to close off each piece. And that's it for the front pieces of hair. Next, move in between and let's draw a curve across for the chin. And now to finish the face, let's hop in and let's draw a small line for the nose and a curve across for the mouth. And then add two curves on top here for the eyebrows. And that's it for the face. Now it's hop on top and we're going to start drawing the hat. Let's start by drawing a long curve across the top like this. And then let's curve it up and in on both sides. And another curve across the top. Now on top, let's draw another two curves going up on an angle. And then close it off at the top. Now inside this top section, we're going to draw the buckle. Let's start with two lines near the bottom here. And a line across the top to form a square shape. And then inside, let's add another square. And then a curve going out on both sides. And that's it for the top part of the hat. Now let's move down and we're going to finish drawing the sides of the hair. Underneath the hat on both sides, let's draw a wavy line down and curve it in like this. And now let's curve it back up at the bottom. And then one more curve back in. Now top back up underneath the corners of the hat and let's draw another curve back in like this. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath, let's draw 2 curves down and out for the neck. And then a V shape underneath. Now from both sides, let's draw a curve out for the shoulders. And then 2 curved V shapes underneath for the collar. Now let's move underneath and let's draw 2 lines down for the sides of the body and a curve across at the bottom. Now top inside and let's draw another curve at the bottom here for the waistband and then 2 vertical lines in the top section. And then in the middle, let's draw a few X shapes like this. And that's it for the top part of the dress. Now let's move down and let's add the bottom skirt. Let's start with 2 curves down and out. And then another 2 inside in the middle here. And close off each side with a curve. Now in the gap, let's draw 2 bumps at the bottom and add a dotted line along the border. And then at the top, let's draw 2 curves going down. Next, underneath, let's draw the next layer of the skirt. Let's draw a curve out on both sides and then add bumps all the way across. And that's it for the skirt. Now let's move back up and let's draw the arms. Let's start from the shoulders and let's bring it out and curve it back in. And the same thing underneath. And a curve at the ends. Now to finish off each of the sleeves, let's draw a rectangle shape at the end here like this. Now at the ends, let's add the hands. At the top, let's draw a curve out, bringing it down and back in. And then another curve around and back up for the thumbs. And that's it for the arms and hands. Next, let's finish drawing the back of the hair. On top of the arms and shoulders here, let's draw a curve point down, up, and another curve down. And the same on the right side. Now top to the bottom and draw the legs. We'll start with 2 lines down on the left and 2 on the right. And then a curve up at the bottom for the feet. And then close off each one with a curve across. Now inside on the legs, let's draw the boots. Let's start with a curve close to the top. Then underneath, 2 angles down. And bring them out from the bottom. Next, underneath, let's draw 2 lines down. And then X shapes in the middle for the laces. And that's it for this cute pilgrim girl. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!